Hey everybody, Todd Cooper here with Esoteric. Got a cool new tool to show you today from the Rag Company. This cool little guy, the Ultra Air Blaster Mini. Now, this one's been out on the market for a while. So, this one's a little beat up, something we've been using in the shop every day for quite some time. But sometimes this great big, piece here is a little cumbersome, particularly when you're working on interiors of the car. They came out with the mini version, super light, super easy to use. It's nice when they ship this, you get 3 different sizes here, depending on the size of the air hose that you're working with. I thought that was a great touch. The team has been using it here in the shop. They really like it. Said it's super convenient, super easy to get in areas, tighter areas, down around seats and everything. And that's where you're going to use this. You're going to use it mostly on your interiors. You're going to use it on door panels. You could use it on headliners, seats. You can use it on your floor mats. You can use it in the trunk. A little bit of everywhere. You can use it for cleaning out pads as well. Really like this. The one thing that threw me off right at first is as you're going to attach it here, it's easy to push down on this. So you're like, what's going on with it? So think about that as you're putting it on. Hold it like this, put it on. Super powerful blast of air that it gives you. And now with one of these, the great thing about it, this internal piece spins around here. You get a really strong, wide bit of air that's coming out. And if you think about your traditional ones, it's just a really small, focused amount of air. Now, if you're getting someplace really tiny, that's great. But otherwise, having this, it just makes your work go a lot faster and a lot more effective. Really, really convenient and just a different option when you don't need the bigger one to use. So it comes with everything you need. Hook it up, go to work. It's going to make your life a little bit easier. Available at esotericcarcare.com. You've been aware of this, the whatever the heck this thing is called. I don't know what it is. It just blows air on different stuff. The Ultra Air Blaster, right? And then the Ultra Air Blaster Mini.
Yes.
We'll start that one over.
I missed it.
That might be for a future thing.
That'll be a good outro card.
Yeah.